Eqenjini Limenyezelwe akekho ukapteni weqembu U-Refiloe kanye no-Wendy Shongwe abalimale ngesikhathi semidlalo yendebe yomhlaba.
Look, Wendy is the only one that has an injury concern, but I think when you look at the squad, we've always had a good core group of players. You know, if you looked at the DR Congo game, we had 11 players out and players stepped up, even though some played in unfamiliar positions to people out there, but have played in those positions before, and I think they did really well and gained a lot of experience.
Nakuba bebadinga labadlali kodwa Ellis unethemba ngalabo bakhona ngoba banamava.
Likewise, the one after against Burkina Faso, we still had a lot of players missing. So we're not too concerned because we have a lot of cover. We have cover in a lot of positions, and when we bring players together in a training camp, we're always making sure that we have enough cover.
Banyana Banyana izobhekana Ne-Tanzania Ngolwesihlanu, kanti umlenze wesibili uzokuba ngoLwesibili eMbombela Stadium eMpumalanga. Le midlalo imqoka kakhulu eqenjini lesizwe njengoba laphuthwa ilo mqhudelwano ngonyaka 2020.